Hi, I'm Zach Sweat from Open Heart Media. Look, I get it. Running a business is tough. Your to-do list is never ending, and somewhere in that chaos, digital marketing gets pushed to the side. But here's the thing, without a strong online presence, you're leaving money on the table. That's where we come in. We take the digital burden off of your shoulders so you can focus on what you do best, which is running your business. From social media marketing, video production, professional photography, aerial footage, SEO optimization, website design and maintenance, and even on-site content collection. We do it all. Trust our team of 10 highly skilled and passionate experts to run your digital marketing. Let's work together to grow your brand, to drive engagement, to drive visibility, to drive traffic to your digital storefront, and ultimately converting that traffic to new clients for your business. Let's make your business shine online. You worry about running your business, we'll handle the rest.